In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the ChatGPT font on a ChatGPT conversation. Whether you're looking to personalize your chat experience or simply prefer a different font style, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of installing and using a browser extension that allows you to customize your ChatGPT interface. First, we'll start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're there, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This is the simplest way to quickly access the ChatGPT website. After hitting search, you should see a list of results, so click on the official ChatGPT website link to open it. Now that you have ChatGPT open, let's begin the customization process by returning to Google. In the Google search bar, type in ChatGPT Custom Themes, Backgrounds and Tools. This search will help you find the necessary browser extension that allows you to change the font and theme settings for your ChatGPT interface. Once you have your search results, look for the link to ChatGPT Custom Themes, Backgrounds and Tools, and give it a click. Upon reaching the extensions page, you will need to click Add to Chrome. This will initiate the installation process for the extension. If a confirmation window pops up, simply click Add Extension to proceed. This step is crucial as it ensures that the extension is successfully added to your browser. Now that the extension is installed, navigate back to the ChatGPT web page. Once there, look to the upper right-hand corner of your browser and click on the extensions icon. This icon typically looks like a small puzzle piece, or may simply say extensions depending on your browser settings. In the list of extensions, find the one labeled ChatGPT Custom Themes. Click on this extension to access its settings. You should now see an option to handle different aspects of your ChatGPT interface. From here, find and select the typography option. This will lead you to the section where you can choose different font styles for your ChatGPT conversations, adding a personal touch to the way text appears during your interactions. Experiment with the available fonts until you find one that fits your preferences. Remember, the goal here is to enhance your reading experience. Personalize the look of your chat interface. So take your time exploring the different font options. Once you've selected your preferred style, you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully customized your ChatGPT font and possibly other aspects of your theme. Enjoy your enhanced and personalized chatting experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.